The night was cold and silent. The ship moved through the darkness of space. Its metal hull shimmered faintly under the starlight. Inside the chamber, the air was sterile and heavy. A young medic named Elara sat on the floor. Her wrists were bound with alien metal cuffs. Her eyes glinted with defiance. She refused to show fear. She refused to submit. The aliens had taken her from her station. Their greenish skin shimmered like liquid under the dim lights of the interrogation room. They spoke in low tones. Their language was unrecognizable, but their intentions were clear. Elara had been marked as expendable. They dragged her through narrow corridors. Their eyes radiated cold calculation. They were studying her, testing her limits. They threw her into a cell. It was no ordinary prison. It was a habitat. Dense foliage spread across the space. Trees stretched high into an artificial sky. The air smelled of earth and decay. Shadows moved among the greenery. Elara's sharp eyes caught glimpses of the creatures. Wolves, large, agile, hungry. The alien voice crackled through the speakers. They announced the parameters of their experiment. Survival was the only goal. The wolves had been enhanced. Their intelligence surpassed that of ordinary predators. Their senses were heightened, their strength amplified. The aliens sought to understand the endurance of humans. They sought to measure fear, pain, resilience. Elara leaned against a tree, her breathing steady. Her thoughts raced. She was no ordinary medic. Years of training in covert operations had prepared her for the unexpected. Her knowledge extended beyond healing. She understood survival. She understood strategy. She understood how to turn the tables. The wolves circled her. Their eyes gleamed in the artificial moonlight. Elara studied them. Their movements were calculated. She saw intelligence behind their aggression. She crouched low. Her hand brushed against the ground. She felt for loose soil, for roots, for anything she could use. The first wolf lunged. Its jaws snapped inches from her face. Elara rolled to the side. She grabbed a sharp rock. Her strike was precise. The wolf yelped. It retreated. The others hesitated. Elara stood. Her stance was firm. Her voice echoed through the habitat. She spoke with authority. Her tone carried no fear. The wolves paused. They recognized her strength. Days passed. Elara adapted to the environment. She used the resources around her. She created tools. She set traps. She hunted small prey. The wolves watched her. Their aggression softened. They began to approach her cautiously. She shared her food. She tended to their wounds. They accepted her as part of their pack. The aliens monitored everything. Their screens displayed Elara's every move. They spoke among themselves. Their data showed unexpected results. The human had not only survived, she had thrived. The wolves had not attacked her. They had bonded with her. The experiment had taken a turn they had not anticipated. Elara knew she was being watched. She knew the aliens underestimated her. She used their surveillance against them. She feigned vulnerability. She made them believe she was complacent, but she was planning. Every move she made was calculated. Every action had a purpose. The day came when the aliens entered the habitat. Their weapons were drawn. They expected submission. Elara stood in the clearing. The wolves flanked her. Their growls filled the air. The aliens hesitated. They aimed their weapons. Elara raised her hand. Her voice was steady. She spoke of unity, of survival, of the strength that comes from understanding. The wolves attacked. Their speed and precision overwhelmed the aliens. Elara moved among them. Her strikes were swift, her aim true. The aliens fell one by one. The habitat grew silent. The wolves stood by Elara's side, their loyalty unshaken. Elara accessed the alien control panel. Her fingers danced across the keys. She disabled the surveillance. She opened the doors. The wolves followed her through the corridors. They moved as one, silent, efficient. They reached the docking bay. A ship awaited them. Elara activated its controls. The wolves boarded. She took the helm. The engines roared to life. They escaped into the vastness of space. Elara looked at the wolves. She saw their intelligence, their strength, their unity. They were more than predators. They were survivors like her. She knew their journey was just beginning. Together, they would face the unknown. Together, they would defy the odds. Together, they would rewrite their destinies. The stars stretched out before them. The ship moved forward. Elara's resolve burned bright. She was no longer a prisoner. She was no longer alone. She was a leader, a survivor, a force to be reckoned with. The universe would come to know her name, and it would remember the day she turned the experiment into a revolution. As days turned into weeks, the ship became their sanctuary. Elara worked tirelessly to ensure their survival. The wolves adapted quickly to their new environment. Their bond with Elara deepened. They became her allies, her protectors, her family. The ship's systems held data on the alien race. Elara studied every file. She learned their weaknesses, their strategies, their motivations. They encountered other ships. Some carried alien soldiers. Some carried human captives. Elara and her wolves became a force of liberation. They infiltrated enemy vessels. They freed prisoners. They dismantled alien operations. Word of their actions spread across the galaxy. They became legends. Stories of the medic who led a wolf pack against the alien oppressors reached distant planets. Elara found allies among the liberated engineers, scientists, fighters. Together they formed a coalition. They shared knowledge, resources, strength. The coalition grew. They built bases on hidden moons. They developed technology to counter the aliens. They became a resistance, a spark of hope in a galaxy overshadowed by tyranny. One day, Elara stood before her allies. Her wolves sat at her feet. She spoke of freedom, of unity, of a future where no one would live in fear. Her words ignited a fire in their hearts. They prepared for a final assault. The alien stronghold loomed on the horizon, a massive station orbiting a dying star. It was their heart, their brain. Destroying it would cripple their empire. The battle was fierce. The coalition fought with everything they had. Ships clashed in the void. Explosions lit up the darkness. Elara led the charge. Her wolves moved through the station's corridors, their ferocity unmatched. Elara reached the control room. The alien commander awaited her. Their confrontation was brief. Elara's resolve was unyielding. She defeated the commander. She activated the station's self-destruct sequence. The coalition retreated. The station erupted in a blaze of light. The dying star consumed it. The alien empire was shattered. Their grip on the galaxy loosened. Freedom spread like wildfire. Elara stood on the bridge of her ship, her wolves by her side. She gazed at the stars. The galaxy was vast, its future uncertain, but she knew one thing. Together, they had achieved the impossible. Together, They had changed the course of history. Together, they would continue to protect the light of hope in the darkness of space. The journey was far from over. The galaxy held countless mysteries, challenges, dangers, but Elara was ready. She was a survivor, a leader, a beacon of resilience. The medic who had turned predators into allies, the human who had defied an empire. Her story was just beginning. The stars awaited her next chapter,